So hello guys. So for today is we will make DIY aesthetic phone case, and first we will go to Pinterest because you all know that Pinterest is full of aesthetic stuffs, so I prefer to go there first to find some aesthetic Christian stickers or aesthetic stickers there. So yeah. So here's my transparent jelly phone case, you guys. I prefer to use this. It's because so that we can see the aesthetic stickers on the back on our phone, and it is okay also if you use colored transparent phone case. But it's so nice if you have that kind of phone case as mine. So yeah. So here's my bunch of stickers here, you guys, and some of the stickers here are not true stickers, and some of them are printables that I've got on Pinterest. So I'm going to choose now what printables or stickers that I'm going to put on the back of my phone.